In this section of numbers, the first thing we're going to talk about is ordering numbers. When it comes to ordering numbers, there are different types you have to consider. But first, let's talk about whole numbers. This is a number line. It helps us to understand ordering numbers better. A whole number can be positive or negative. Number line can help us to visualize ordering numbers. As we move to the left side of the number line, the number gets smaller. And if we move to the right side of the number line, the number gets larger. It seems pretty easy, right? Now, let's have a look at an example. This is a type of question you might be giving on an exam. Write these numbers in ascending order, which means smallest to largest, or descending order, which means largest to smallest. Now, for this one, let's do it in ascending order, which means smallest to largest. Now, this is a set of numbers we have to work with. As you can see, on the number line, the negative numbers goes to the left and positive numbers goes to the right. According to the number line, the largest negative number is -1. So when a number moves to the left, further away from -1, it gets smaller. Have a look at our given set of numbers. What is the largest negative number? It's -2, right? Because it's the closest number to -1. After that, it's -70, and the smallest one in the negative numbers is -1548. Now, looking at the way we found largest to the smallest of negative numbers, it should be easy to find the smallest to largest of positive numbers. Try to pause the video and see if you can figure it out. In the positive side, the smallest one is 65, then 325, then 500, then 1548, and finally 2156 is the largest number in the set. But what are we going to do with 0? Well, 0 is the number that's always between negative numbers and positive numbers. Now let's ask this question. If you wanted to write this set of numbers from largest to smallest, how would you write it? Pause the video and try to figure it out. Well, it's very easy. All you have to do is to write it from right to the left.